Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Tori Cantrice, and today I will be doing a review video of none other than the Revair. I'm so excited, and I know I'm probably a little late to the party, but better late than never, right? Okay, so I'm gonna start off with showing y'all some of the pieces. Okay, so came with this part. This is where the hair goes, like right there, in there, and just stick it in there. Okay, and then you got the hose, very long, and then this is the base of the dryer. So this is where you turn it on and all that good stuff. This is a little holder. Put it in there. Okay, and also came with some little cute little other stuff too, because it's like a little package deal. So this is called Bright Spot. It is a shine spray, and it says for all hair types. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I don't know. I'll think about it. Then got some little clips, honey. These good too. This is good material because I have some clips like these, honey, but they're not of this quality. Okay, this almost feels silicone. I like this. Then it came with little hair bands. So cute. Maybe I can finally master a high puff with these things, because right now that's one thing I cannot master, a puff. And then this little thing, honey, I really don't know. It's a hair wrap. On the little pictures that you can use as a face mask, a headband. I guess, honey, I got some big old frizzy hair, so I don't know if my hair is gonna fit. It's not gonna fit in this, honey. We'll see what I'll use this for. All right, so we are about to get started. Make sure though, before we get started, make sure you hit that boom, subscribe button. All right, so I am back. I have detangled my hair. Now I forgot to show y'all, it did come with some little cute little bags too. So this is for that little holder thing, and then this is for the actual dryer. Okay, so we're gonna get started here. So this dryer it's supposed to be really good for your hair. It's supposed to not cause heat damage, which is every natural girl's dream. Okay, so I'm just gonna part my hair in sections. Now it says in the directions that you want to make sure your hair is not like dripping wet, and that also you want to make sure that you don't have like, don't spray any oils on your hair. Don't have like too much product on your hair and things of that sort. So that's what the directions say, y'all. We're gonna use one of these nice clips. So I'm again just sectioning off my hair, and they said it's supposed to be faster. Okay, it's supposed to be shorter time. Y'all know sometimes blow drying your hair be taking forever. So we're gonna see what happens and if we can get this done fast, because I'm hungry, honey. I ate dinner. I'm ready to eat. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of, because my hair is still pretty wet. Oh, yeah. A piece ain't something ain't doing like it's supposed to, and it's making me sad on the inside. All right, y'all. Now, just gonna make sure that this is detangled really good, honey, because okay, now I know it says it don't cause heat damage, but honey, better safe than sorry. So I'm gonna spray my hair with some heat protectant. Now I'm not gonna spray a lot because it says not too much product, honey. So I'm just gonna spray a little on there. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna do that side section. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Okay. So we're gonna take this and we just gonna, okay, so hold on. Now this is your airflow. So you can do like a low or a high suction. You got your own button and you got your heat. Now, I don't know what this, okay, I'm gonna stop trying. I don't know what this little knob, it look like a little knob, but I guess it don't do nothing. So we gonna turn this baby all the way up, okay, to the top of the top. And we gonna turn that. And it might be a little loud, but we gonna see. So I'm nervous because I don't know how to use this. Oh, 1 second. All right, let's try that again. Oh, that was cute. Hold on. Okay, that light that came on, that was so cute. Okay, I know it's extra, whatever. Okay, here we go. Yeah, okay, here we go. Oh, okay, then I think you just whirl it around like that. It ain't all the way dry though. Okay. Okay, y'all. Oh, it feels so soft. Okay, so I can see where y'all see in there still a little wavy, but I don't care because right now I'm just testing it out. I don't want it to get super straight. I'm actually probably gonna do like a Bantu knot on this. So okay, it feels really soft though. My hair never felt this soft like with just blow drying, yeah, honey. All right, so let's keep going. Let's see what we about to get out of. Maybe I need to make the sections a little bit smaller. Okay. And then I'm going to detangle. All right, and here we go, y'all. We're gonna turn that big baby off. Child. Okay. I don't know, do I supposed to go like this, y'all? That's what I think other people do. I read the directions, but not really, so. Okay, y'all don't understand how soft it feels right now. Okay, a Revair. Oh yeah, I love it. I love it. So far, it's all right. Now this is again me just testing it out. I'm not doing this to straighten my hair, so that will probably be like another different review. I'm just testing it to see, number one, how fast can it dry my hair, and number two, maybe I shouldn't have sprayed no heat protectant on it. Maybe that's why I'm still getting this. So this section, I'm gonna not spray any heat protectant on it, and then see what happens once I get to that section. Okay. Ooh. Chalet, honey. Okay. So some of the things that I noticed. Number one, your hair does not feel hot. Okay, that's the one thing. Like when it's on, it's not burning your scalp. Okay, when you pull your hair out, honey, that thing feels so soft. So those are some things I'm noticing. I do notice, like, again in the middle, it's like you still see a little bit of curl, but I don't know if it's because I put product on my hair and it specifically said do not put any product on your hair, so that might be why. I'm gonna just twist this up, y'all. So I'm gonna do when I do the fronts, I'm gonna make sure that I don't put any product on it. Follow darn directions and see if I get a different result. But yes, I'm gonna finish the back, and then we'll go on to the front, honey. We'll go on to the front. I don't know why I'm getting so much satisfaction out of doing that. Okay. So this is the back piece, and it's pretty much dry, honey. It is pretty much dry. We're gonna try this front and see how it turns out without me spraying any of the heat protector. And we're gonna pray that this don't heat damage my hair. It say it don't, so I ain't using no heat protector. You better not damage my hair, okay? Thank you. Whoo, child. Okay. So yes, I'm still noticing like this. Look. But again, this was a bigger section, so I probably need to do my section smaller. Let me read this thing. I did not read the instructions. Okay, see, it says do not use oils, so it works best on clean towel dry hair in conjunction with any Revair hair primer. Do not use oils or sticky fixatives prior to revving. Do not saturate hair with product or water to the point of dripping on or in the device. Power on. Insert the hair up to your scalp. Keep it at or near your scalp. No need to move up and down the section. When dry, remove and repeat section by section until complete. Okay, yeah. Honey, I just had to remove to make sure I was doing this right. Size matters. Okay, so that's why, honey, because my hair is coily and zigzag. So, honey, I need to have this in for 90 seconds. I'm not leaving it in long enough. And then I really need to part it 3 inch by inch, honey. Okay, you gotta keep it close to the root. Go with the flow. Should a section of hair be too large in volume, the heat chamber will shut down. Okay, so that ain't happened yet, honey. So I'm not keeping it in long enough. So it has to be at least 90 seconds. Okay. All right, so let me do this again, and I'm gonna do it for, I'm not keeping it in long enough. So I'm gonna put this back in there. Get on back in there, honey. Turn this off. This is not the power button. Okay, 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 okay. I said yeah, I like this. Look at the shrinkage, y'all. See the difference? Shrinkage is good, guys. Shrinkage is good. Even though I'm always stretching my hair. I love my little shrinkage. Shrinkage means the hair is healthy, okay? So if your hair shrink, be happy. That means you got healthy hair. All right, 90 seconds. So this time I'm keeping it in for 90 seconds. That's a minute and 30 seconds. I had to think about it. Get on in there. All right, y'all. Okay, I think we have a winner. Now, honey, the edge. Ooh. Okay, yeah, that worked better. That definitely worked better. Let me get this little back piece. Okay. I think I'm still doing my sections too big. But honey, who wanna be doing all these little bitty sections? And I guess you got to. All right, let's see what we're working with. Okay. See that little piece, little tangle. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to put. I am gonna put the, what's the name on it, the heat protector. Okay, but you know what? I gotta say, this thing did blow dry my hair out good. Look at it. Not this part because I done braided it. Look at that. Okay. I think I'm going to style it. I think I'm gonna do Bantu Knots. Little cute little Bantu Knots. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna finish the other half. I'll come back when it's done because honey, this video getting longer and longer. All right, guys, so I am back. This is this side. You know what? I want to say I did get better results on this side Now it does say that you don't want your hair too wet, so I think this side of my hair was still a little too wet. And oh yeah, my what's the name about to be real cute, y'all. Anywho, but yeah, so this side I got better results. It did get straighter. So overall, I love it. Okay. I feel like I could go right in with the flat iron and flat iron my hair. So yeah. So I'm excited. I love this. Or when I'm doing the protective style, now I don't feel like I'm damaging my hair. It did not get hot. It did not feel like it was pulling my hair out. A couple of things I did not like though. So I don't think you're supposed to put it like right on your scalp, because it was like making my head itch. I don't know. Also, I think I didn't rinse all of the deep conditioner out, so maybe that's why. I don't know. Anywho, and then honey, when you get to the top of that head, honey, your arms get tired. Other than that, I love it. My hair feels soft. It doesn't feel damaged. It don't smell like it was burning. I didn't see smoke or anything. And my hair is completely dry on this side, and then for the most part completely dry on this side. So yes, gets a 9 out of 10 for me. Actually a 9.5 out of 10 for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to style my hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, comment below if you tried the Revair and what you think. Do you like it? Is there something out there you think is better that I should try? Yes. So I love y'all. Remember to love y'all crown. Good night.